Are you struggling with using knee chunk and pose tag in NLTK? You're not alone. Many users find themselves in a similar situation. Today, we will explore how to chunk sentences effectively using NLTK. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to extract meaningful information from text, and the tools you're using don't seem to give you exactly what you need. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, is it possible to use any chunk without including pose tag, and what does GPE mean? This is a great question, and it sets the stage for our exploration today. To understand this better, let's break down what knee chunk and pose tag do. The pose tag function assigns part-of-speech tags to words, while knee chunk identifies named entities. But can we skip the part-of-speech tagging? Let's find out. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip on how to effectively use NLTK for your text processing needs. He said, to address the user's question about using knee chunk without pose tag, we first need to clarify that knee chunk relies on part-of-speech tagging to identify named entities. However, the user can still extract the named entities without displaying the part-of-speech tags. The user can achieve this by modifying the way they print the chunks. Instead of printing the entire tagged structure, they can focus on just the entity labels. Here's how the user can adjust their code. Instead of printing the entire chunk, they can create a list of just the labels from the trees. This will give them the desired output. Now, regarding the term GPE, it stands for geopolitical entity. This category includes names of countries, cities, and other political regions. Fun fact, the first named entity recognition systems were developed in the 1990s, and they were nowhere near as advanced as what we have today. Technology has come a long way. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the knee chunk function without retaining the part-of-speech tags. They suggest starting with your tagged sentence and then creating a new list to store only the chunks. You can achieve this by iterating through the chunks and appending them to a new list while omitting the tags if desired. Additionally, the user explains that GPE stands for geopolitical entity, and you can find a list of commonly used tags in the NLTK book. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach suggests that you can modify the original code to exclude part-of-speech tags while still using knee chunk. By traversing the tree object, you can extract only the named entities like GPE and person. Additionally, GPE stands for geopolitical entity, which is a classification used in named entity recognition. Here's a pro tip. Always check the documentation for NLTK updates. The library is constantly evolving, and new features can make your life easier. And there you have it. You now know how to approach using any chunk without pose tag and what GPE means. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on NLTK and beyond.